In today's video, Emoji left the chat. A unicorn throws up on the Picasso, and something is hidden here. Hello everyone, part 7 and last for now of the Picasso project. With the mechanical part resolved and the interior spotless, all that remains is to get to work on the exterior. As I already told you in the presentation video, I don't want to go too crazy with the exterior, since the Picasso sleeps on the street all year around, so I am happy with giving it a bit of love and leaving it very clean. Let's get started. Before starting to clean, I want to remove the emoji sticker, a well-known emoji from the Foro Coches forum, which I sticked many years ago and which, as you can see, is discolored and has to go. The method I have used is to spray it well with soapy water to try to soften the edges a little, and with a plastic card that I had at home, scratch it little by little. It took me a long time, as it was very well attached. Finally, it's out. Now let's clean up. I will start with the wheels, which have probably never been cleaned in their life. After giving them a first rinse, I spray them with chimney cleaner, which is quite strong, and then give them a good brushing. After rinsing, I gave them a second round with a chimney cleaner, brush and rinse. They are not perfect, but at least they are clean. It's the body's turn. While cleaning the rims, I took the opportunity to wet the bodywork, so I can directly start with the foam. Now, as I have shown you in the other videos, using the two-bucket method, one with soapy water and the other with water to rinse, and a glove and a brush for the crevices, I wash the entire bodywork by hand. Finally, I rinse it and dry it with a towel. The result is so perfect as it gets. Now I'm going to the tailgate area, and you can see the amount of dirt accumulated here over the years. With the degreaser and the brush, I remove all the dirt and use the spray with water to rinse. As you already saw in the presentation video, the wheel caps were destroyed and two were missing. So I got this used set. They are not perfect, but they will give the Picasso a very good presence. Before putting them, I'm going to clean them well. Here you have the wheel caps already clean. As you could see, they are not perfect. this one is probably one of the best looking ones, and still has a couple black spots. They look like tar or something similar. The rest are either scratched, like this, or like this one with these green marks, and the gloss is in some areas gone. This one, which looks better, but it has also some black spots of paint or similar. But well, in the near future I will probably paint and restore them, but not now, as I don't have time for this. The time has finally come to put them in the car. To finish off the exterior, I am going to see if I can recover the color of the plastics. With this plastic conditioner, which you have seen in the last videos, I apply it with a sponge. Leave it dry for a minute, and then I remove the excess with a cloth. The difference is quite noticeable. It turned out spectacular. What a change! That's all for today. With this video I close the Picasso project, at least for this year. Next summer I would like to return to it to do more things that I have pending and that I consider important. So this is not a goodbye, but rather a see you later. I hope you liked it and enjoy how it turned out. I think that the goal of saving it from the scrapyard has been achieved and has far exceeded all my expectations. For the rest, thank you to all of you who have watched the videos, commented, liked and subscribed. Thank you very much. I just have to tell you that more videos will be coming soon and that a new project is being cooked. It will come to the channel soon and you will surely like. If you don't want to miss it, consider subscribing. And as always, if you like the content, smash the like button, it helps a lot. Share it, write me some comments, and all that stuff that you can do on YouTube. Thanks for watching, bye bye!